The 1959 Cadillac Miller Meteor is one of the most iconic, classic American vehicles ever built. Many people mistakenly call it Jack Miller, but the correct name is Miller Meteor, a coach-building company that modified Cadillac chassis into professional vehicles like hearses and ambulances. 1. What the 1959 Cadillac Miller Meteor is. Base car, Cadillac commercial chassis, 1959 model year. Coach builder, Miller Meteor, specialized in professional cars. Typical uses: ambulances, hearses, funeral cars, combination ambulance-hearse vehicles. Cadillac produced the engine, frame, and mechanical parts, while Miller Meteor built the long body, roof, and interior equipment for medical or funeral services. These vehicles were extremely large and heavy, often around 7,000 pounds, because they were built mostly from solid steel. 2. Engine and performance. Typical specifications for a 1959 Cadillac professional car. Engine, 390 cubic inch V8. Power, about 300 to 325 horsepower. Transmission, Hydra-matic automatic. Wheelbase, about 130 inches. Drive, rear-wheel drive. For the late 1950s, this was considered luxury-level power and reliability. 3. Famous design features. The 1959 Cadillac design is legendary, especially because of its dramatic styling. Key features include huge tail fins with bullet-style taillights, long, low-body design, heavy chrome trim and jewel-style grille, large interior space for medical or funeral equipment. These tail fins are some of the largest ever used on a production car, making the 1959 Cadillac instantly recognizable. 4. Pop culture fame. The Miller Meteor became world famous because it was used as the Ecto-1 car in the movie Ghostbusters. The Ghostbusters car is actually a 1959 Cadillac Miller Meteor Sentinel ambulance converted with lights, gadgets, and ghost hunting equipment. Because of this movie, the car became one of the most recognizable movie vehicles in history. 5. Value today. Today, the 1959 Cadillac Miller Meteor is highly collectible. Typical values: project car, $20,000 to $50,000. Restored example, $80,000 to $200,000 plus. Ecto-1 replicas, sometimes even higher. Collectors love them for their rare design, movie history, and classic 1950s American style.